Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. How are you all? Hope all of you are well and did very well in your exams, which were taken on Monday and Tuesday, right? Hope all of you have completed the work which I have allotted you. Have you all done the work, students? Do you remember what was the work all about? You were supposed to write meanings and dictation words of English in your English notebook. We have already completed the chapter Fair Play, and I also gave you question answers from 1 to 5, right? So hope all of you have written that much in your English textbook as well as English notebook. Today we will start with the next part of question answers, that is from question number 6 to question number 9. These question answers you will be writing in your English notebook, right? So let us start with question number 6, that is what was Algu's verdict as head punch? How did Jumman take it? That means what was the solution given to जुम्मन's problem by अलगू and how did he take it? मतलब जुम्मन ने उस फैसले को किस तरीके से लिया, ठीक है? अलगू's verdict as a head punch was that Jumman had to give some amount of money to his aunt to enable her to run her kitchen separately. Otherwise, she had every right to take her property back from him. Jumman could not take it in the right spirit and he considered अलगू as his enemy. ठीक है, तो अलगू ने वर्डिक्ट मतलब जो डिसीजन था वो दिया कि भाई जुम्मन को उसकी आंटी को पैसे देने ही पड़ेंगे. अगर वो नहीं देता है तो प्रॉपर्टी सारी चली जाएगी आंटी के पास, इसीलिए उसको मंथली अलाउंस देना है ताकि वो अपना किचन सेटअप कर सके. बराबर. लेकिन जुम्मन ने ये बात को अलग तरीके से लिया. उसने सोचा कि अब अलगू मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं रहा, वो मेरी आंटी को सपोर्ट कर रहा है एंड ही हैज़ बिकम माई एनिमी. Then the question 7 is Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? Algu's problem was that Samju Sahu, whom he had sold one of his bullock, was cheating on him and was not ready to pay him. ठीक है, तो उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या था कि अलगू को उसके पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे. साहू जो बुलक काट वाला था वो उसको पैसे नहीं दे रहा था. ऐसा कह रहा था कि मेरा बुलक ले जा, 1 मंथ यूज़ करो और फिर वापस दे जाना, बट मैं पैसे दूंगा नहीं क्योंकि तुम्हारा बुलक तो 1 मंथ में ही मर गया. ओके, दैट वॉज अलगूज प्रॉब्लम एंड दैट साहू वॉज नॉट एट ऑल रेडी टू पे अ सिंगल पेनी टू अलगू. अलगू को वो एक फूटी कौड़ी बोलते हैं ना, एक पैसा नहीं देना चाहता था. इसलिए फिर अलगू ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि ही विल गो टू द पंचायत. ओके, नाउ विल मूव टू द 8th वन स्टूडेंट्स. वाई वॉज अलगू अपसेट ओवर जुम्मन्स नॉमिनेशन एज हेड पंच? मतलब अलगू क्यों एकदम सैड हो गया जब बोला कि जुम्मन हेड पंच बनेगा? अलगू वॉज अपसेट बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम जुम्मन वॉज his enemy. स्पेस रह गया है, स्पेस आप लोग कर लेना. And he was appointed as head punch by Sahu. Algu was scared of Juman's unjust behavior and judgment. So what is said? Algu was upset because at that time Juman was his enemy and Sahu appointed him as head punch. बराबर. तो अलगू को ऐसा लगा कि भाई जुम्मन सही जजमेंट नहीं देगा, उसका बिहेवियर मेरे खिलाफ है, सो आई विल नॉट गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ जस्टिस. दैट्स वाई ही वॉज वेरी मच अपसेट व्हेन Jumman was selected as the head punch. Okay, now we'll move to the 9th one. This is the last question answer, students. The 9th question is what was Jumman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? Jumman's verdict was that Sahu had to pay money to Algu for the bullock he purchased from Algu, as at that time of purchase he had no suffering. Algu was overwhelmed with emotion and he embraced Jumman. Okay. So what does this answer means? This answer means that when Jumman gave his verdict, it was a proper judgment which was made by him that Sahu has to pay money to Algu for the bullock he had purchased. Bullock died in 1 month because at the time of purchase the bullock was healthy. It was not having any kind of problem. So Algu is not at fault. So Sahu has to pay Algu all the money which he had promised. Okay, so that was the decision, and this decision made अलगू वेरी मच हैप्पी एंड ही वॉज लाइक ओवरवेलम्ड विद इमोशन, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हो गया. एंड ही रियलाइज्ड दैट द वॉइस ऑफ द punch is the voice of the god, or the voice of the god is the voice of the punch. And then he went to Juman and embraced him, यानी कि उसको गले लगा दिया, and he was really very happy. So students, all these 9 question answers you will be writing out in your English notebook. That's your homework. Okay, now we'll move ahead to the other exercise, which is given on page number 92 of your textbook. It's a exercise working with language. After question answers it's given. 10th question answer is omitted, so you need not write. I am reading out the answer. These are the answers which you will be writing. Okay, this you can do in your textbook only, no need to copy in notebook. Notebook में नहीं लिखना है. Exercise AB or exercise BB you will write in the textbook only. Okay, so on page number 92 below you can see working with language, and there is question A which says replace the italicized portion of each sentence below with a suitable phrase from the box. Make necessary changes wherever required. There is a box given in the textbook. From that particular word for particular sentence you are supposed to पिक अप एंड देन फ्रेम द फुल सेंटेंस. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना ना, टेक्स्ट बुक में जो इटैलिकाइज्ड है, इटैलिक में दिया हुआ है, वो वर्ड अंडरलाइन करके आंसर लिख देना सिर्फ. ओके, तो पहले मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ती हूँ. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आंसर्स आर ओनली गिवन. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड देन आई विल रीड द आंसर फॉर यू. द क्वेश्चन इज द बेस्ट वे टू अवॉइड एन अननेसेसरी आर्ग्यूमेंट इज टू रिमेन साइलेंट. रिमेन साइलेंट की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे मम, MUM, mum. You can see the sentence, the first one. The best way to avoid an argument is to keep mum. The next one is unfortunately. That's in italicized. Unfortunately का मतलब होता है ill luck. As ill luck would have it, the train I was trying to catch was cancelled. So unfortunately की जगह पे आएगा as ill luck. Okay. Then the third one is he has been told not to take risk while driving a car through a crowded street. He has been told not to take risk. रिस्क दिया हुआ है, उसकी जगह पे आएगा chances. He has been told not to take chances while driving a car through a crowded street. Then the fourth one is the patient needs to be properly taken care of. Taken care of is in italicized. Then you have the answer as the patient needs to be properly looked after. Taken care of का मतलब होता है looked after. Okay, so you'll write it in that way. Then next one is why don't the two of you end your quarrel by shaking hands. End your quarrel is the word which is given in the question, and it gets turned into make it up. Why don't the two of you make it up by shaking hands? So make it up is the answer, right? Then the sixth one is I was in a difficult situation. Difficult situation. Okay, till my friends came to माई रेस्क्यू, मतलब मुझे जब तक मेरे फ्रेंड्स बचाने नहीं आए तब तक मैं बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में था. डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन का हो जाएगा अ टाइट स्पॉट. आई वॉज इन अ टाइट स्पॉट टिल माई फ्रेंड्स केम टू रेस्क्यू मी और केम टू माई रेस्क्यू. ओके, then you have seventh one as when I saw a pile of dirty dishes I felt very disappointed. I felt very disappointed will change to my heart sank. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes my heart sank. That's your answer. Then in the eighth one you have I will examine the matter carefully before commenting on it. So here the words are examine. I will examine the matter will change to I will go into the matter. I will go into the matter carefully before commenting on it. Then in the ninth one you have they criticized him in the meeting but he accepted without protest all the criticism. Okay, he accepted without protest. That will change to swallowed. They criticized him in the meeting but he swallowed all the criticism. Sentence भी थोड़ा change हो रहा है, so you need to write it in that way. And the last one is it will free me from worry to know that I had done nothing wrong. The answer is it will ease my conscience. Free me from worry. That will become it will ease my conscience to know that I had done nothing wrong. So, students, all these uh, things you will be completing. Still, we have exercise B. एक्सरसाइज बी भी आज कंप्लीट करा देती हूँ. देन वी विल स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ये वाले यूनिट में तो पोएम नहीं था. इन यूनिट 8 वी हैव अ पोएम एंड अ लेसन. सो हम लोग 8th वाला लेसन शुरू करेंगे. So students, on page number 93 you have exercise B. In your textbook you can have a look. There is, the question says, look at the following phrases and their meanings. So phrases and meanings are given in your textbook already and we are supposed to use those phrases in the blanks given. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन और आंसर दोनों यहाँ पे दिया ही हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स. आई रीड इट आउट फॉर यू. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको ये कंप्लीट करनी है एक्सरसाइज. डोंट राइट इट इन योर इंग्लिश और एनी अदर नोटबुक. यू विल बी सॉल्विंग दिस एक्सरसाइज इन टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली. तो ये जो एक्सरसाइज है पेज नंबर 92 और 93 पे सारी आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करनी है. ओके, किधर भी दूसरी जगह नहीं लिखना है. डू इट इन द टेक्स्ट बुक इटसेल्फ. So that the phrases are given on page number 93 and you are supposed to fill these blanks. Chalo, we'll do it. Why don't you set down your ideas on paper? Set down मतलब होता है to write or record, to make a record or to write. That is the meaning of set down. So the first answer of the question is set down. Okay, the second one is a fund has been सेट अप फॉर द सोल्जर्स फैमिलीज. ठीक है, सेटअप का मतलब होता है पुट इन प्लेस और स्टार्ट. और फंड हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड और फंड हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड फॉर द सोल्जर्स फैमिली. सो द सेकेंड आंसर इज सेटअप. एंड द थर्ड वन इज वी शुड set aside a little money every month. Set aside means to keep safe or to save or to keep it for a particular purpose. So the third answer is set aside. Then the fourth one is you should buy some woolens before winter sets in. Set in matlab to start, to begin, to continue. Okay, and the fifth one is they set out on the last stage of their journey. Set out का मतलब है to start a journey. So students, what you'll do is you'll complete all these exercises in your English notebook as well as in textbook. Notebook में question answers लिखने हैं, textbook में जो exercise बोली वो लिखनी है. So do complete it. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow students. Keep your books complete.